Hello friends, I am Dr. Shilpa Sonarkhan. I am consultant pediatric ophthalmology and strabismus at HV Desai Eye Institute, Pune. Today I will be talking about allergic conjunctivitis. Allergic conjunctivitis is also known as pink eye. It has a seasonal preponderance, especially it may happen during the flowering season because of the pollens, and it may happen in summer seasons due to hay, that is dry grass or dry leaves, and it may also happen because of dust and sometimes due to animal dander, because sometimes they may have pet dogs or pet cat in the house. So allergic conjunctivitis is a seasonal condition and it is chronic in nature. So usually it stays for, suppose it starts in summer season, it stays there for 2-3 months till the onset of rainy season. So the treatment needs to be taken for a longer duration. So how does a child present in allergic conjunctivitis? The child may have watering of eyes, or the child may have continuous frequent blinking of the eyes. There may be itching or rubbing sensation in the eyes, and the eye will obviously be red or pinkish in appearance. Usually if you have any sudden onset of these symptoms, you should visit your doctor, and there are some precautions which you may take at house also in your home. So the precautions which you may take is, first and foremost, is to avoid rubbing of the eyes, because if you continue rubbing the eyes, the allergy will increase. So another important precaution is frequent washing of the eyes with cold water or doing cold packs, then changing the clothes because there may be stuck pollens or dry dust particles on the dress. Avoid having going around the flowering plants, or avoid going near the dry grass leaves. Whenever the child is going out, they can wear a protective goggle. The child should avoid playing with soft toys because it can have entrapped dust particles. Whenever there is brooming or dusting activity going on in the room, the child should be kept away from that room, and frequent cold packs should be done to give soothing cooling effect. If still the symptoms persist, your eye doctor will prescribe some anti-allergic medications, eye drops and lubricating eye drops, and sometimes if needed, some mild dose steroid eye drops are also given. Thank you.